I genuinely think India can recover from tariff imposed by USA. How India got the benefit from the tariff situation. I think India can recover from tariff by negotiating in interim trade. A deal which could lower tariff to be below 20%. Benefit for India include relief for exporter in textile, pharmaceutical, electronics, steel, gems and marine export. Increase foreign direct investment. Reduce losses to $7 to $10 billion in key export sectors. Protected job and foreign trade earning to boost. I think India will win this trade. I think India will win this trade battle with the USA. Battle with the USA because of India's largest population. India used population of 1.4 billion people. A massive market. US companies like Apple, Amazon, Walmart and Microsoft want India. I think India uses this as a bargaining power. I think India need to think about UK, France, South Korea, Japan companies, not USA and China. India should attract investment from UK, Japan, UK companies like Jaguar, Land Rover, HRSC, France, Renault and Airbus, and South Korea, Hyundai and Samsung. These countries will keep India reduce dependency on China and US companies. Okay, this is the end of my movie. This is the end of my video. Thank you.